Hello and welcome to EDPY 401. I'm Chris Kraft. I'll be your instructor this semester. I want to give you a brief introduction and an overview as to how to access your blog. This is where we'll do a lot of responsive writing, some of your opinions, and other things. We'll probably use this in lieu of the discussion board because I want to make this class a little bit more open, a little bit more transparent. So, first things first. This here in the center you can see by visiting edpy401.com. It'll take you to this link here, and in the center you will see some basic class announcements. I'll post these in Blackboard as well. The big thing is I want you to find yours. You should see your name listed straight here on the list somewhere. Don't worry about anything under blog roll, just find your name here. For this example, of course, I'll be using this one. When you find your blog, you'll see they all look alike. If you go look around everyone else's, that's fine. You can change that in a moment. Ignore all this for right now. On the right-hand corner in the bottom, you're going to click on that link there. This is going to be your first name, and your password is your last name. You're going to change that in a moment, so don't worry. Remember, this is hosted on my server, so sometimes it's not going to be terribly quick. So once you get in, a couple things you need to know. Number one, to change what it looks like, go to Design. That's how you change. You can begin to customize it. I'll give you a week or so to sort of get accustomed to what it looks like in here, and you're welcome to play around. Won't be anything assigned to begin with. To change your password, which is the first thing you're going to want to do, click on Users. You'll see yourself here. You'll see your first name right there. And then here, you'll see this. You'll see a plus. You'll see your first name, and then 401@gmail.com. You can change that as well in a moment. To change any of this or all of it, click on Example. And then scroll down a little bit, and you'll see the email address. Change that to your email address. Make it whatever in the world you want to, as long as it's an email that'll actually get to you. Or whatever in the world yours is. Scroll down. You can fill in any of this if you want to. You don't have to. You can fill in some of this. You don't have to. The big deal is here down at the password, you're going to want to click, you're going to want to input whatever new password you want. It'll tell you you should use uppercase and lowercase. Don't sweat that too much. And then click on Update Profile. Once you click on that, it'll take you back to the authors and users page, and then you'll see the changes reflected here. To do a blog posting, and I'll do a longer video on that in a moment, you'll do that from the right screen. Please notice there are two different things. There's the writing of a post and the writing of a page. The writing of a page will go on to a separate page in the blog. Writing of a post will go on to the front page. We'll deal with that more later. Under the Manage link, you can manage any of the posts, any of this that you've done. You can add videos or whatever in the world you might need to. And then under comments, you can see any of the comments that have been left for you. This is your first one, and it was left by default. You're more than welcome to click that delete button right there and delete it. Let me encourage you to take a few minutes and look around, get a gander, sort of get accustomed to what it's all about. Go into the settings. You're more than welcome to change that. Change the email here. You're going to need to confirm it. I'd leave all this stuff alone if I were you. But you're welcome to take a look at all of these. Please don't delete it because that would cause a problem. Don't worry so much about plugins. You're welcome to activate that one, but I have to activate them sort of on a site-wide level for you to be adding any new ones. So there's the basics of how to work this blog. Take a look around and let me know if you have any questions.